Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mario, and today's episode will be part 2 of the 964 turbo rebuild. So we got the control arm off last time, got the car somewhat running a little better, but there's an issue with the fuel and we're going to be solving it today. So be sure to stay tuned, check out the other Porsche videos if you haven't done so already. Hope you enjoy. We're going to have to transfer this hub onto the new one and a few of the brake parts, but yeah, hopefully we put the new one on without much issue and she'll be sitting straight.
Oh, there she blows. Dallas.
$3.99.
As easy as it gets.
Hub on the lower control arm. New fuel pump. Old fuel pump. New fuel pump is in this rubber housing. I think it's there for noise insulation. Fits good. There's a little bit of a adapter that's on this one, so it sticks out a little bit, but it still looks perfect. And then we got this swapped over. Everything's tight. We're gonna go ahead and test fit it. Hopefully throw it in there and hoping for success.
You tiny little fingers.
I got big arms and tiny hands.
And voila. Yeah. They were just there, but now they're gone. Just like oh he ham.
Oh, he ham. Are you jumping in now?
Mm-hmm.
Let me know when. Okay. Oh yeah, that's clean. She purring in there.
She purred.
She purring hard. We got a little helper. Oh, you got fire ants over here, bro.
Where?
Oh, it looks red.
Right under your
Dun, 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 dun.
badonkadonk.
Dun, 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 dun.
Don't zoom in too much. Close enough.
Oh man.
Okay.
I just need to tighten that one bolt. In other news, my boy has just picked up a load, man. Oh my goodness, that boy is running home with that one. So we're gonna do a little bit of flow testing. Is it plugged up?
Should all be plugged up. Just make sure it don't pop off that
The bottle?
bottle.
I hope so.
All right,
I hope not.
we're going.
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh yeah, we're flowing.
Okay, I think we're good. That's all.
That seems like a very healthy amount.
Just for the record, this is not how you work on your 965, okay?
Yeah, you put
You
it
take
on
your 965 to the dealer so that they can work on it, okay?
or you put it on your $80,000 lift in your $8 million home
And just let it sit there
and let your
until your
let your
personal mechanic can come there and work on it.
Butler mechanic comes and
Yes,
gets his hands dirty.
that's just for the record, okay, people? We don't actually own this car.
Yeah, we're just personal mechanic butlers.
Yes,
Somebody calls butts.
we are the butts of our own lives. Throwing in my Ford pickup truck.
All you need is hands the size of a toddler and millions of dollars. We still got to button up the rear for the test purposes, but what'd you say?
99% success rate.
He said 99% success rate because that new fuel pump. Let's see what his boy, what he has to show for after this is all buttoned together.
Do I know what I'm talking about, or do I know what I'm talking about?
You trying to do a little bit of advertisement on my videos here, bud? So we got this toboggan set up right now. Just that line running out to here. There's fuel pump back strapped.
Back strapped.
Moment of truth.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Ain't got no gas.
Just turn the fuel pump yet first. Okay. I hear this thing. I think you're good. Let it rip, let it smoke.
What I said, you what? I knew it. What I said.
Take one.
Cause it's super smoky.
And I'm getting smoke all over the scene.
Woo-hoo! What?
Sounds super good. Yeah, sick. Get the controller on.
Dang.
And keep this girl moving. Simple, yet satisfying. On to the control arm. That's a controlling factor. Slipping in there is a controlling factor, and getting obviously the axle nut on is a controlling factor right there. This, I'm telling you, I already tried just putting it in here, and it's already gonna be tough. There you go. Yep. Yep. Keep going down with it. Keep going.
Put that.
Yeah. Okay. Pick it up as high as we can. There she blows. Hold on here. There she goes. Not bad. Okay, now twist up. Yonder. Okay, good. Boom, sucker. Already got it through, brother. There we go. Hold that bolt.
See that tab's supposed to fall right in there. I'm gonna pull and you push, okay?
In.
There we go.
Dang, son. That's a beauty. Talk about fine German engineering.
All right, can you lift it? Perfect.
Oh yeah, I literally saw it sit in there. Hold on, bro. Take a pause. Take a break. We're rushing it. I'm just with the creeper and...
Struts. Dang it.
What?
I was hoping not to get this shirt dirty.
Oh man, this shirt is brand new. It's the first time wearing it.
I'll go wash my hands and put some clothes on.
Porsche. Alright, BRB. Got that one snug down. Axle bolt snug down. Shock will probably be last. We're about to snug down those back there. I'm doing the bottom first. Bing, bang, pop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Got those bolted. Gonna do the shock, and after that, it's just gonna be a lot of assembly of missed components, and hopefully it moves a little quicker. So, tightened the shock bolt. Everything down there is good. Tightening that side one just to be sure. Got that tightened up. Caliper's going on next. Well, actually the brake components and the drum shoe stuff has to go on. Sensor, caliper, and the rest of these goodies, the basics. And then, yeah, coming along, we got the hardest part done. So a little bit more work and hopefully we'll drop this bad boy. Calipers are in. Calipers on.
Calipers are our friends.
It's getting late. And we're almost there. Yeah, buddy. Got that bracket back on. Brake line reinforced. That closed up. Everything tightened. Just gonna tighten those two caliper bolts. And that should be it, right? Am I missing anything? Just a wheel. Just a wheel. But we know about that. Gonna try to fit that one right there. Hopefully we don't have much interference. Let's get it.
I mean,
Go slow. Talk about tight fitment. Look at that. So it's like he's saying it's sitting on it. I honestly don't think it's sitting on it much, Rome. It's like it just is like, it's not like compressing the wheel or anything. It's tight though, definitely tight. It's probably touching, but yeah, I got the car down. Look at that, straight as a whistle. So that's good. Coil over adjusting. See if we can get a couple more inches out of it. This car was definitely low. Moment of peace.
there you go.
Oh yes.
Any touching?
No, you're good.
We see space all over, huh?
Let's go. Yeah. At least a 1/4 inch. So that's sweet. We'll definitely be able to pull it out.
You know, no windshield. Gotta be prepared for anything. This is the most ghetto rig 965 car that ever exists right now.
Oh yeah. Everything starts out ghetto.
All apart.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go ahead, I'll watch it. Oh, hold on, go slow, go, no. Dang, you sitting on it already. Already kind of made it go lower. You could drive a little bit. Just go slow. Go slow, go slow. Hold on, slow. Good, you're good. Yeah, you good, you good. Hold on. You're good. I'd say pull. Oh, hold on. Go slow. Go really slow in the back. Yeah. Go slower, reverse, and you go forward. But I'd pull up to get this to not blow smoke in the garage. Slow. Dang. Yo, she sounds good though. Hopefully the fire department doesn't come, dude. Sheesh. Dang, that thing sounds good though. Sheesh. Hold up. Wow. Got it back in the garage. She sounds great. Sounds like a beast. So
She gonna rip.
she's gonna be a ripper. Feels good. Progress.
So much progress right now.
That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of the 964 turbo rebuild. We're gonna go ahead and get the bodywork started, get that thing running better, and make sure to bring it back to life. So be sure to check out the other Aircooled videos if you haven't done so already. Subscribe below, and I'll catch you guys next time. As always, be blessed and be superish.